Hello, my name is Vicki Flores. I'm the Director of Business Development for Hitachi Solutions. I'd like to welcome you back for Hitachi Solutions' second video, specifically focusing on high-tech engineering and Microsoft CRM 2013. So let's pick up where we left off. As you recall, this case was regarding Product 4, and the issue was Product 4 will not start. We are in the second step of our business process using the business process flow bar. So, for example, moving forward with this case, we're not able to resolve it at the first line of support. So we can now add this case to a queue. We'll assign the case to Mary. To save time for the demo, I've actually added notes for Mary to see. The first line of support, I'm not able to resolve the issue for the customer, will escalate the second line of support. We will save the case from here. When Mary logs in, she will pick up right where the first line of support left off. The next step is to contact the customer and ask a few more questions regarding the issue. In speaking with the customer, we realize that this is a bug fix. Product 4 belongs to the digital business unit. And again, some additional information, Product 4 with Component 4 is also an issue. Case type is service request. In speaking with the customer, we realize that they possibly have a contract. So the next step is actually to do that research. We'll go back up to our drop-down, and it's easy to get to your contracts by clicking here. And we can see that Advanced Cell Components has a Gold Service Support contract, and it's active. Now to go back, it's just as simple. Recently viewed items will take us right back to Product 4, will not start. So we've completed research. We know they have Gold support, and with that, response time, 2 hours. The contract line item, they have support on products 1 through 4. From here, we will save the ticket and try and support the customer on site. Once Mary has scheduled on-site support, she'll follow up on this case by reviewing the notes. As you can see, on-site support was not able to resolve this case. It seems that the product bug needs to be escalated. Additional case comments, on-site visit, specifically in working with Product 4, it seems the component may be out of sync with the product. This should be reviewed by engineering. If we go back to our business process flow bar, you'll see the next step, if you can't resolve the case, is to escalate this to engineering. And what Hitachi Solutions has added is a different view for your engineers. So in this example, we're going to go ahead and change this from a service request to change request for this business unit. And then we will go ahead and save this case. By clicking Save, this now changes the format of this form. You will see that we have set up CRM 2013 to automatically generate a change request number. This is so that engineers can differentiate between the cases they're working on and support cases that your first and second line of support teams are currently working on. In addition, when an engineer now logs in, specifically from the digital business unit, he will not be looking at the service request form. What we've added is a secondary form specifically for this business unit. Now you will see this form has a lot more information and detail. So now the engineer can actually take a look and dive into the customer's issue with a little bit more specifics. So for example, we have Product 4, Component 4, but we also want to know what version number. Was there workaround available? And actually, that was no. Where did this ticket originate from? There's no parent case associated with this. Now, your engineering team has a lot more detail that they look at in resolving a customer ticket or a product fix. And this is where Hitachi Solutions comes into play. Service to source code, going where no CRM system has gone before. Hitachi Solutions completely understands all of the intricate pieces to the code fix lifecycle that engineers deal with on a daily basis. We understand that engineers do not normally work in CRM, but there's a lot of relevant information that engineers have that need to be put inside of CRM. Looking at the diagram here, we completely understand what it takes to actually fix a bug or even to create and build a new product. There are a lot of intricate pieces, a lot of departments, a lot of hands in the pot. And that is why we're asking you to chime in and take a look at our next video. That way Hitachi Solutions can show you how to take your CRM system from service to source code.